Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a stunning DIY witch costume this Halloween? Let's get started with some simple material you probably already have at home. Some creative options that are easy to make and sure to impress. First up, however, the classic scare row. All you need in an old flannel t-shirt, some overalls, and the straw hat, and add some face paint for that rusting touch. You are ready to go. Next, let's get a little spooky with a ghost. Grab a white sheets. Yes, the classic cut out eye holes, and add a chain for some tinted edges for an array vibes. Super simple and always a hit. If you want to something more physical, consider a flower fairy. Use a green dresses or top and create a flower and from tissue papers felt attach them to a head band, and voila, you got a magical look that's perfect for any so guys, first up you will need black chart paper. This will be a foundations of your witch's entire. Grab a pair of scissors and cut out a flowing cap and a classic witch hat shape. The darker the better. Next, let's add some flair with white papers. Cut out a spooky design like ghost and bats, or even a crescent moon. These will give your costume that extra touch of Halloween magic. Now, for a bit of dimension, we are using a white foam sheet. This is a perfect for creating accessories like a band or emblazonment for your hat. Just cut out a star or any shapes you like and attach it to the top of your hat for that iconic witch look. To put anything together, grab your hot glue gun. It's time to assemble your cap, hat, and accessories. A little glue goes a long way, so be careful not to overdo it. And there you have it, a fabulous DIY witch costume that easy to make and sure to impress. I have gone into detail about all the materials and step in my video, so make sure to check that out for more tips and tricks. I hope you enjoy creating this costume as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you found this helpful. Happy Halloween, guys!